Baltimore City's housing market is heating up in 2025, and the numbers tell an exciting story. Home prices are rising, rental demand is surging, and new initiatives aim to transform vacant properties into valuable real estate. Whether you're looking to buy, invest, or just stay informed, understanding these trends is crucial. Baltimore's economy remains a driving force behind housing demand, with major employers like Johns Hopkins and the University of Maryland Medical Center. Job growth continues to attract professionals. The city's affordability compared to nearby metropolitan areas makes it an attractive option for young professionals and families, fueling interest in neighborhoods like Canton and Federal Hill. Housing inventory has slightly increased, with over 3,200 homes on the market, signaling a gradual shift toward a more balanced environment. However, vacant properties remain a challenge, with over 13,000 vacant structures and 20,000 empty lots. The Reinvest Baltimore program is working to change this, aiming to revitalize 5,000 properties over the next 5 years. Home prices have surged, with the median price reaching $214,500 in January 2025, reflecting a 15.9% increase from the previous year. The rental market is just as competitive, with average rents around $1,500 per month and premium neighborhoods exceeding $2,000 for one-bedroom units. Rental prices are expected to rise further by year-end. The market is shifting toward balance, with homes receiving an average of 2 offers and staying on the market for about 52 days. Mortgage rates, currently hovering around 7%, are affecting affordability, slowing the pace of sales, and creating opportunities for buyers and investors to negotiate better deals. Government initiatives and smart home technology are also shaping Baltimore's real estate landscape. The push for urban revitalization through Reinvest Baltimore aims to create more housing opportunities, while modern tech-equipped homes are attracting higher premiums. Looking ahead, Baltimore's housing market is expected to see continued growth, though at a moderate pace. Rising rental demand, stable property appreciation, and redevelopment opportunities make it an attractive city for real estate investments. Do you think Baltimore is the right place to buy or invest in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GrowFin channel for more real estate updates and insights.